what's wrong with me, because all the time I'm applying my full makeup, I start to cry. And I don't like to cry, especially over makeup. Hello everyone, this is Stefan and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to do some quick trick with eye. I'm gonna apply, for this eye I'm gonna do concealer and then I will apply cream eyeshadow by Maybelline. It looks like this in a container, in a small jar. And on top of that I will apply 3 different shades and combine them together, and then I will apply light shade to maximize the effect. Okay, let's do that together. Let's start with applying concealer on the lid. Ooh, and today I'm using Camouflage Catrice concealer. I'm not sure it still sells. I got that from Amazon, I remember, not from official website. No, but official website, they right now only have True Concealer, I think. If I'm wrong, just put a comment below. But I don't remember it somewhere else. And don't worry on the parts where we have a tape right now. I will remove it later. And this is the concealer as a first layer. Okay, let's move on to the second part. Second part is a cream eyeshadow. I use a brush like this. It's nice beigey, peachy, and beigey, peachy cream shadows. Probably on the camera it's not that peachy, but I can see in real life it's a bit shade of peach. And they're gonna be as a base for the dry eyeshadows. Okay, good. Next, for eyeshadow, let me use a naked number 2. I'm gonna use Frisk, I'm gonna use Primal, and Undone. And also for the light, we probably will use Stark. Okay, let's try with the lightest first. So I go ahead and grab the brush like that. And we're not gonna use pencil or anything for the wing, only eyeshadow today. Let's see how it's gonna work. Let's move on to a different brush, which is gonna be a bit smaller. Okay, let's move on to this brush. I'm gonna apply the second shade, which is Primal. Maybe I need something like this to blend it a bit better. Okay, and deepen it. Let me move to the smallest one and I will apply the darkest shades from here. Every time we apply the next shadow which is darker, we take less space, as you can see. Lightest to the top lid. Great. A bit of a highlighter in inner corner. Okay, natural. Let's take away the tape. Let's apply concealer back there. We can use a brow brush or a liner brush. Have concealer here now. Now we can put eye base on the lower lid. And let's repeat the same step we did on top lid. Next is a bit darker. This is kind of the eye we created. You see how easy it was? In like a couple seconds. Okay, this is the eye. We can use a bit of liner if we want and create the inner eye to lower it down. Let me use a brown one. Okay, let me also set my concealer underneath with light shadow, what I used to the top lid. Okay, to make sure nothing will disappear from my eye. See, I rounded the eye and I did like wave. It's probably not the best because I mean it's cool when you're closing the eye, but when you open it, it's kind of I still can't see my hooded eye. If it was like this was the case and it would be alright, but with my eye probably would need to darken it a bit. I'll just put this sticker here and pull my face up a bit. What do you think about this eye? Yeah, I know I'm missing the mascara, I'm missing eyeliner inside. What do you think? Because we can just glue eyelashes and go. Sometimes I just need to stop. I don't know if you can still hear the sounds from my stomach. If so, please forgive me. I ate an apple and it's created the washing machine effect in my stomach. And I'm using the brown mascara from Cabaret because it's just the one I have in brown. And I'm telling you, should be fine for the top lashes. High beam so hard, you can see the lashes shadow on my top lid. If I wanna fix this hood, I would need the eyelashes and my favorite glue and my favorite triples. I love triples, they're easy to use. Let the glue dry a bit and see for yourself where you wanna put it. Or we'll put it right here. If the tweezer will let it go. If you still have residue of the glue on your tweezers, try to remove it. It's pulling my eyelashes, which I just freshly glued to the skin. Okay, much better. You see, it started to hide the hooded eye. Let's just continue with that. Okay, and we probably need one closer to the corner. So that's how you hide your hooded eye, with lashes and a bit of wing, and we still have a wing when we close the eye. And when we open it, it's kind of continue that. Do we want to turn it a bit more? Kiss it better, baby. Okay, that's better. Maybe we need a smaller tip right in the corner. Just try if I can do that. Okay, it's much better. Glue is dry. Let's apply mascara again to connect the one we glued, the one with mine. What is mine? Okay, like this. Probably will need a smaller one closer to here. You know, I also heard they have a liner which is kind of like a glue. So you do your eyeliner with this and then you put your lashes to that liner while it's still probably wet. And this is how you set your eyelashes, how you glue them. I never tried. Okay, this eye I think is done. We don't need anything more. This is good. This is kind of like daily version on this eye. You can put some sparkle on top of that if you want to make it a bit more evening looking eye, but I'm fine. I also like this one. You see, create a shadow which is not there. This is much better. Maybe just next time between like fake false lashes and mine, I need to put it darker color. But that's it. This is pretty natural eye. Let's try the second one. As you can see, and it should be ready as well. So this is the eyes. Let them dry and I will combine my lashes with this one. And I'll do the lower lashes as well. Okay, this is pretty much it for the eyes. And let's... do I want to do face today? Maybe eyebrows? Maybe a bit of eyebrows won't hurt. One eyebrow is ready, let's do the second one. As a primer today, let's use the Pure Canvas Modifying by Laura Mercier. Since I have my eyebrows could be a bit challenging to apply the primer, but it's fine. I think we got it. What foundation do I want to use today? Okay, let me give the second chance for Watertone by Makeup Forever. So today it's not gonna be that bad. I remember it's like splashes everywhere when you're just trying to use one pump. Let's see if it's still the case. It is still liquid and goes everywhere. I don't want to shave today, so take me as is today. Let's switch to the concealer. Let's continue use Catrice. Also will apply with blender. I love the smells. Oh, the Catrice camouflage. So this is kind of the final look. I will crease lips later, but right now I apply just small tint. So this is my final look, what I created today. You've seen the lipstick already applied, my eyes are done, and I have no hair today. You see the blush is already kind of gone, it's pretty soft. And you know, I used the setting spray before I go, and you know, I don't like it. It kind of ate my contour right here. It was like kind of, I don't know, like something on the stove is running out. Was it this one I used for dry contour? Should be good. This is highlighter is still in place on both cheeks, I believe. This one probably wasn't setting well in the beginning, but right now it's also fine. Let me put some hair. I'll be back. Just a second. Looks like I have an Orthodox boyfriend right now. Not a boyfriend anymore, he's my husband. And you keep asking me, cut me bangs, I want a bang. How to leave it? Everything gets in your mouth, especially if you put lipstick on and gloss or something what doesn't set right away. I think I got Jeffree Star in my mouth. No, I did not. He didn't come. I've been cheap because I purchased this week from AliExpress, and you see how it looks amazing. You know, girls, you don't need to buy something orthodox to look that great. You can buy some Chinese and it's gonna work. I spoke too long with this guy at the counter. Don't tell you that, please. Always I won't buy your clothes. Let me see if I apply a little more bronzer and it's gonna be better. This is me, Steppa. This is what I wanted, and he done me something like 80s, blah blah blah. What's wrong with me? Because all the time I'm applying my full makeup, I start to cry, and I don't like to cry, especially over makeup. And this lipstick gonna be made in a couple seconds. I believe it would. Thank you for watching, guys. You see, I already updated lipstick several times. As you can see, we did a lot today, and I also updated the cheekbones. They still a bit too into the eyes, but it is what it is. Hit it or leave it. Come back and watch more, and much more video I will record, edit, do the makeup and upload to the YouTube, and I hope you will support me. Please thumbs up, comment down, and please subscribe. I would appreciate much more people around to shoot the video for. So see you around. Bye. Bye.